Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I sit down and actually film like a makeup video for you guys because I've been MIA for a while, guys. And I really apologize for that, guys, because after I came back from vacation, I have been busy ever since, like with work, school, this and that. So today I finally had the time to sit down and film for you guys. So today I'll be filming my everyday go-to makeup look. If you guys would like to see my everyday go-to makeup, then just keep on watching. So first off, I am moisturizing my face with this White Lucent Brightening Moisturizer Cream by Shiseido. Hopefully I am pronouncing it right, guys. But what this basically does is that it repairs skin damage by daily UV exposure and refines your skin texture for a softer, smoother skin, and it helps capture light as well. While I let the cream set into my face, I love the Sugar Coconut Hydrating Lip Balm by Fresh. If you guys don't know me, I have very dry lips, and I feel that this balm instantly locks in moisture and delivers 24-hour hydration for soft, smooth, plump-looking lips. So now I will be priming my face with this Hangover Primer by Too Faced. It helps hydrate my face while locking down my makeup for a fresher, longer, and more flawless wear. You can also wear this alone for a dewy, healthy-looking finish, or even under your foundation because it creates the perfect canvas. So now I am using the Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation in the color Natural No. 4 by Bobbi Brown. And I have been really loving this, guys, that I use it every single day. As you guys can see, I only use one layer and it covers up my blemishes and problem areas. It's a buildable medium to full coverage with a natural matte finish that feels weightless and breathable on your skin. By the way, it has SPF 15 and is oil free. So if you have oily skin like I do, I suggest you guys try it out. So I have this ugly guy popping out. What I use to cover it up is this MAC Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer in the color NC30. It is a creamy concealer, and as you guys can see, it provides opaque coverage. Since I am growing my eyebrows, I really don't do much to it. I just like to use this Color Brow Gel by Maybelline to make it look natural and fuller. So now I am curling my lashes, and I have been really loving this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. It separates every lash and it really opened up my eyes, as you guys can see the difference. It really gives me thick, sexy lashes. Now to set my foundation, I'm using this Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the color Translucent by Maybelline. To bronze up my face, I'm using this Jumbo Kabuki brush because I feel like it fits perfectly into the hollow of my cheeks. I really love this bronzer by NARS in the color Laguna. It has a golden shimmer that creates an all-over warmth for a healthy sun-kissed glow. And of course, I had to bronze my big forehead, but you know what they say, guys, pretty girls have big forehead. So for blush and highlighter, I am using this Pixie palette by Chloe Morello. I feel like these blush and highlighter bring out my inner glow, and it also add a romantic sheen to my face feature. You guys can get this palette at any Target. And of course, I can't forget to highlight my Cupid's bow. And now I will take my damp beauty blender to blend everything together to make it look more natural. For my lips, I sometimes go out with just a lip balm, but some days I use the Sephora Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the color Natural to give my lips a little shine. So this is it, guys, my everyday go-to look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe.